Someone got their shitty dun-dun-duns out here. What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and today we're doing another Copart walk around. This one is a little short. I didn't have a lot of time. They had a staff member or whatever get sick here. I know, it's that kind of thing, and everybody kind of had to get out of here in a hurry. So we are able to come back. It's just today's video is not going to be as long, but I do address some very important information at the end about some of the stuff that I've been seeing and some of the issues that my good friend over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, Randy, has been having on his channel with the trolls. They say don't feed them, but I think it's okay to feed them if you choke them. All right, guys, this today is a bonus video. Bonus time. If you guys are fans of Copart, you know exactly what the hell that is. Bonus time. That's basically like screw you time. Anyways, today we are taking a look at this Mack Truck semi. Now, I'm wondering why it was here. I saw it just got here yesterday. Looks good, right? Doesn't look too terrible. Mack, right? Georgia inspection, right? Oh, no, come on, son. Someone got their shitty dun-dun-duns out here. I can't. Yo, how you put your dirty drawers on the outside of the truck, son? Look at this. Now, if y'all are eating right now, I apologize, but you just look, you got shitty drawers on deck. Tires don't look too terrible. There's a toolbox back there. Let's look in the cab, shall we? Shitty drawers on deck, boy. Y'all savages. All right, let's climb my big ass up here. Oh. All right. Hey, this one has one of those Eaton Fuller transmissions. I actually know what this shifter is, this little switch is for now. Shout out to all y'all in the comments that told me what that meant. Lucas County Sheriff's Department. Oh, Patrol Division. Somebody must have broke their truck or did something to it. Overall, this thing looks pretty good. What do you guys think? You think it'll start? Got some nasty flip-flops. You got some hemorrhoid cream, Pepto-Bismol, and Frosted Flakes. Something tells me that whoever was driving this truck probably wasn't that healthy. I mean, all right. Where is the keys? They're in the ignition. Oh, come on, you dicks. These dicks, man. Look at this. They do this on purpose. They literally leave the key in here on purpose, man. Damn it. Damn, I actually like this, man. See, if I could turn something like this into a pickup, I'd drive this every day. Look at this, man. Just put a bed on it. You know what I'm saying? Look, they got body spray. Bod over there. I don't think Bod was going to help whoever it was that was driving this. They have their own radio. Mack radio. Okay. Brake. Trailer air supply. Air conditioning or whatever. This is nice, man. This was picked up. What is this? This is 2011 Mack 600. Damn. Well, I'm probably going to troll too. I'm probably going to post a picture of the interior in here and be like, look what we just picked up. You know, like all that same stuff that everybody else does. No, I'm just kidding. I'm interested, man. This would be a cool little pickup truck. You know, oh, I say cool little pickup truck, but you know what I'm saying. Like, this is kind of cool, man. The bed back there is kind of nasty, you know. You got speakers and stuff. This is kind of, I mean, it could be cleaned up. It's not too terrible, man. It's not too terrible, you know? I don't know. All right, let me get out of here. Oof. We'll take a look at the rest of the truck. Look at this. Look at the metal. It's starting to bow with me stepping on it. Let me get my big ass off of here. They'll be like, YouTuber that films Copart video busts his ass and falls headfirst into a rusty axle. Ugh. Shitty draws, man. Hashtag shitty draws. I don't know, man. I could delete one of these axles back here. Maybe delete like those one, that one up there, maybe. I don't know. Delete one of them. Delete one of the axles and then just put a pickup truck bed on it, like a dually bed. No? Wouldn't that be cool? I think that shit would be cool as hell. I know you're gonna say that's stupid, TK. What is the dude's name? I just started watching his channel recently. He rebuilds these semis. Let me know in the comments. I don't know if this is gonna be a live video or not, but let me know in the comments. I forget that dude's channel. I might need to ask him a relevant question on this one. If I could literally turn this into, could I turn this into a pickup truck? I would love to. I would love to. What kind of engine does Mack use? Let me know as well if you guys know what kind of engine this thing has in the comments. I don't see any Cummins badges or anything like that. All right, let's see if we can find something else. Oh, all right, guys. Well, that was cool. That was a cool little bonus thing for y'all, man. Look, if you guys are watching this video, if you watched the video from yesterday, this is literally just a bonus video. It was me looking at stuff on the way out after me seeing the things I wanted to see. And I just wanted to give you guys a little extra content, just checking in with y'all, man. Oh. Uh-oh, here comes a car. Man, if I keep my pants up. That pace arrow, that running and driving RV is still here. You see the shitty RV's gone. There's a trailer there now. The RV, oh, is this it? Did they move it down here? I know y'all are gonna be like, go open the door, TK, I dare you. I dare you to open the door, do it, do it. I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, okay, this is either burnt or the front windshield is tinted. I'm gonna guess it's burnt. Toasty! Wow! I just got a bunch of soot came out. I don't even think this has been opened. Holy crap, what the hell burned? Something back there. Or something in between the seats, because the truck is fine. But the windows and stuff got all burnt. Like you'd have to replace the whole interior. Damn, man. Holy crap. I was like, yo, is that dark tint? Nah, that ain't tint, son. That's fire. Oh, wow. There's the shitty trailer. I'm not doing it, man. I can't. Oh, man. All right, you know what? I'll tell you what. The things I be doing for y'all, man. I'm just going to see if it's full of flies and stuff, all right? That's all we're going to do.
Abracadabra.
Ooh. 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 Wow. What about one of these, guys? I mean, Goon Squad, everybody else is rebuilding these. I don't know what's possessing these other YouTubers to rebuild forklifts. I mean, I guess maybe if you're buying one to rebuild it to keep so that you could like use it to move cars around if you had like a multi-level, like a stack system in your garage or something. I don't know, maybe, but I don't see it. I don't understand it at all, me personally. Let's rebuild a forklift. Duh. Coast Inn, Pleasure Island, North Carolina. I see you, sailboat. Some of those boats go cheap. I watched a couple of bass boats with motors on them, which worked. They listed that they did start. Go for less than $500 on the trailer this last week. I was just like, damn. Might need to pick up one of those, two of those, and do something with them. Again, guys, this is just a bonus video, so don't be roasting me about, well, you're not organized on this video, you're just showing whatever. Yeah, because it's a bonus video. It's just extra content for y'all. Whoo! Da, 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 da. Oh, man. Let's see if we see something on the way out. Da, da, da. I don't know, man. Copart's been crazy lately. Like I said earlier, we've been winning cars. It's not just me. It's a bunch of people, man. I've been winning vehicles. I've been bidding and winning. And I'm going to try to throw some of those videos of the auction stuff in for you guys so you guys can see it. But we've been bidding and winning and just not getting the vehicles. Oh, that one's a rollover for sure, or something fell on it, broke the window. But you know what? That's not too terrible, and I've looked at a couple this week. So the cloth is still there, but the panoramic glass and the roof is all bent. Oof. Yeah, I mean, it could be a good little beach car or something, but I don't know if you're going to be able to fix all that. Remember that Range Rover? So you guys probably saw this Range Rover maybe 2 weeks ago. Remember this Range Rover Sport with the 49,000 miles that had the damage or whatever to the front? Now this thing sold for like 16,000 bucks. It did get picked up. Somebody picked this thing up, and then I think they just ran it back through the auction. I don't know, man. But it's here again, and I was surprised to see it because I was out front. I was out front when this was getting loaded onto a trailer, so either somebody picked it up and it was much worse than they expected and they just sent it back to resell it, maybe to recoup their money, or maybe sometimes people buy cars here at Copart and then they run them right back to the auction to see if they can make some money off of it. But I just don't see how it works after the fees and stuff and the percentage you pay. I just don't see how they would make any money. Oof. We got a rolled Tahoe. Hey, this thing's finally up. So this one's coming up to the front, so it's going to be ready to go. You guys remember this was like, what, a month ago? 2 months ago that this flare side came up? But it had the fire damage under the hood on this one. And this is a Ford Explorer? Yeah, looks like a Ford Explorer.
Finish him.
Here's some carnage for you, man. Damn. That's crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. I don't see how anybody could survive that. Like, you got your whole shit pushed in. The roof got pushed down. I don't know. It doesn't say bio or anything on it, but I don't even know why. Something like that. I mean, what are you buying this for? Scrap, I guess? I don't think there's any usable panels on it. I don't know. All right, guys. That's going to do it for us this week. Sorry, I got a phone call that came in. I had to pick that up. And lo and behold, they are going to see, you guys know I've been going back and forth with Copart about this because I won this damn BMW earlier this week. And it just didn't show up in my win list. You know what I'm saying? Well, it looks like they are trying to get it fixed. They have been having some issues, they said, online. Wait a minute, is it not here? I was about to say, oh, maybe they pulled it out already for me. I was going to say, maybe they forklifted it out already for me. That would be nice. There she is. She's still there. So I'm going to go back into the office and see what they came up with. Hopefully I don't have to bid on it again because I was happy with the price I was at on it, you know. I was happy with the price on it. But there she is, guys. She's still here. We've been going back and forth about this car for like a week, and it hasn't come back up for sale again. It just hasn't. It's still listed as sold. So, anywho's, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, this was just a bonus video for you guys. I will get more content, guys, coming for you guys when we get down here to South Florida. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Hope you're enjoying your time with your family while everybody's trapped at home. Just try to, you know, just be happy. If you're healthy, just be happy that you're healthy because a lot of people aren't right now. And that's it. See you guys on the next one. What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage. And I just wanted to address a couple of things. You know, I saw my brother Randy over there at Auto Auction Rebuilds really going through it here in the last 24 to 48 hours from the trolls. I guess my thing is, tell me why you mad, bro. Why are you over there attacking that dude's channel and that dude's livelihood if you got a problem with me? That just tells me that you ain't got the balls to come see me, or you just can't screw with me.
You suck dicks.
I don't know, man. It's crazy that I even have to even say anything or address this thing like that. But I guess the best thing I can say for the haters and the trolls, cue the music.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick.
Suck a dick, suck a huge